Assalamu alaikum, grade 3. I hope you all are well and having great time at your home. Grade 3, in our previous class, we have done notebook question answers and we have complete these questions. And this book work previous you have done when you come to your school. So these question answers we have done on notebook. Now we are going to do remaining book work. First, we are going to write we will look here how much measurement is here and we will write here downside. If you see on the scale, you see it's of 4. From here it starts from 0 and up to here it ends at 4. So this will be 4 inches. And on next picture, if you see here, it's a weighing balance and here 1 kg weight is placed. So this is at balance position. So it means cabbage is of 1 kg. So here will be 1 kg. On next page, here is the thermometer, and when you see on thermometer where this red point, this mercury comes at the 38 degree, this small 0 that I place over it is a sign of degree. Next, if we see a clock, it's 7 o'clock. After O you have to put apostrophe and then you will write clock. When we are seeing this pack of milk, you see here it's written 5 ml. That 5 ml milk is present in this pack. So you will write here 5 ml. Next task, we have two boats, boat A and boat B. You see in boat A, there is one mother father and one small pet, like you see small dog. And on second boat there is mother father and a small little baby and a cat. So two boats are there. We have to answer these questions. Which family is heavier? They are talking about family. We see here family is only mother father and their weight 60 plus 50. Their weight will be 110. And if we see here 60 plus 40 100 plus 15 115, their family weight is 115. So boat B is heavier because their family have more weight. Next is which woman is lighter? Which woman has light weight, low weight? It's 40 kg and it's 50 kg. So 40 kg woman is lighter. What is total weight of pet animals? This pet animal is of 10 kg and this of 5 kg. We have to write here total means weight of both. We will add these weight and we will write here 10 plus 5, it will be 15 kg. Next question is which boat is carrying more weight? So boat A and boat B both have same weight. When we add these 3 weights and when we add these 4 weights, both will be 120. So we will write here both have same weight. Okay, and here is this brainstorm. This you have to do as your homework at your home. And now grade 3, I will show you some measuring instruments on the board. Like you see here, first measuring instrument that I pasted on the board is spring balance and it is used to measure the weight and its unit is gram. Next that I paste on the board is clock and we use clock to measure the time, and for time unit is seconds. At second last, there I have pasted thermometer and it is used to measure the temperature, and unit of temperature is degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit. This small O that I write on C or on F, this is the sign of degree. We read it as degree. Next is the measuring tape, and we use measuring tape to measure the length, and the unit for measuring length is meter. Grade 3, here is written your diary. You have to learn classwork from book that we done today, and you have to do homework on page number 76. Brainstorm activity you have to do as your homework. Have a great day, students. Allah Hafiz.